Good morning with my fresh afro hair. Today is the day that my daughter becomes 18. You now have a 10 years old. 10 years old.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Dito lang ako sa bangkito. Yes, Manabu.
Good morning! Good morning! Birthday ng mami mo ah.
My birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Dede po si Mama. Are you excited?
Excited ako for you, love. Yay! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Good morning! Ang ganda! One and only Tony Aviles and the Jocelyn. Tapos si Miss Ray. From Kisses and Smiles. Ate Mane.
Lapit na lapit.
Kailan ka kinasal?
After 5 years.
Bilis! Nagka-18 ka agad!
Siya po ang Ray ng Abala.
Talaga, hi mga besh, hi mga gash.
Wow, look at that hair. From the bottom up to the scalp.
All the way curls. Unlimited.
Look at that.
This is what we call blending.
What?
Blending.
Oh, that's a blending.
Blending.
Wow. Nes, oh, ang ganda na upuan ng anak ko. Ako, dito lang ako, sa bangkito. dito tayo pang bangkito.
Very yarn.
Oh, di ba? Ganun ba mga James?
Ganun.
Ah, okay.
Nagkakaintindihan naman sila.
Yung humor.
Ay, humor ba?
And so, andito tayo ngayon sa place. The place to be. Tatry ni Krisha ngayon na maglakad dito pababa. Kasi yung gown niya malaki. So, kailangan niya i-check kung kaya niya ba. Ito yung place. What's good about this is that si Krisha yung talagang nag-push nung lahat ng to. And siya ang nag-budget. May binigay kami certain budget sa kanya, tapos siya talaga nag-budget and everything. So, I'm so proud dad to see how responsible my daughter is. I'm just excited for her. This is her moment.
Dip ang baba mo, ang puro ko sa'yo, it always has to be sideways. Dip.
Kung ako bababa nito, bubulong lang ako bababa nito.
Area 1.
Where's area 1? This one? Okay, nice.
Manabu.
Yeah, dig. Magtitip mo kasi baba. The brother. Something brother. Sino to? The boys. The Banal boys. Quack, quack, quack.
Hi! Hi, kuya!
Yes. Wow! Active vlogger.
Mga ga, so thank you so much sa ating videos.
Eto na, syempre hindi pwedeng mawala. Tinapay by ads. Mabilis. Yes. What's up, family? What's up, Dandoy? Come on! Saan ka nang galing na naman? Hello, hello! Hello, hello! Si Krisha ngayon nagpe-prepare na sa taas. So, hello po, madam. Nagpe-prepare na sa taas. Tapos, in a bit, magsa-start na. Kapag hahalataan, ikaw yung unang-una. Nakita-kita, ikaw yung unang bumanat sa kape. Pag-iis.
Alas 6 pa.
Alas 6 pa ba?
What is up? Happy birthday, Stripes!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Stripes. Hello there, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Wow.
You can claim it after the event or check it during dinner if available na.
Happy birthday, Ate Ikay!
Miss Risha, Gabe, Amelia, Koha.
Pasensya ka na at wala na sila dito to celebrate special day mo. Pero
Hindi rin nakadibong mama ko. So, as my 19th rose, I want to dedicate it to my mom for being my second mom. May video pa yung mama ikaw! Hi, Mom. Nagtataka ka siguro bakit kasama ka sa 18 roses ko. At special pa nga kasi pag 90th. Hindi siya nakadibu. So, if you would just let me give this moment to my mom, she'll just dance with her dad. Yes. Thank you po. Love you, Mama.
Back when I was a child, before I moved all the
Happy 18th birthday and
I'm so blessed to witness your journey with God.
Isa ako sa mga taong papalakpak at magiging masaya sa mga darating pang achievements mo sa life. Sobrang saya na meron na tayong baby Liam, pero all
lovely tonight. Grabe. You're a very loving and patient ate to Liam, and I'm sure you'll continue to bloom even more in the years ahead.
Some words and advice I wish I actually knew when I was younger.
From the moment you came into this world, you brought life, joy, and so much love in our life.
ang bilis na pala, 18 ka na.
Baba pa lang ni Krisha sa hagdanan. Grabe na iiyak ko. Parang ako yung umiri sa'yo talaga.
Pinrel to yung chat GPT.
Happy 18th birthday, Ikay.
Happy 18th birthday.
What's the name of Christmas first dog? We have Angel, Aaron, Joseph Kapalpa, we have Bella. Ang dami ni sir.
Yung nasa kasama. Alam mo yung tandem nila dalawa na hindi maganda talaga. Kaya ba ni Bojet yun?
Kaya, white Innova, ito. Malaki mga
that's the end of my 18th birthday. Grabe lang po kasi grabe yung preparation dito and hindi ko inakala na matatapos namin, let alone ma-achieve ko po yung gusto ko. Kaya grabe, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord for this. Thank you Lord for giving me this opportunity to have my debut na pinapangarap ko lang po when I was a kid. And I'm surrounded by so much people who love me. Grabe, punong-puno yung kwarto. Tapos kahit kung ano nang ginagawa ko sa stage, tawal ako ng tawa. Grabe, mararamdaman mo pa rin yung love from them. Kaya sobrang thank you po. Super thank you to my family. Thank you sobra ma and dad. Sobrang thank you po. And that's it. I turn 18 in 30 minutes because birthday ko po talaga is tomorrow. Ayun, thank you and happy 18th to me! Thank you, Lord! Bye!